Hey guys, and welcome back to Ikhisbeauty.
Today we're going to be doing the
brother and
sister tag. So today I have my brother
Abdullah,
and we're going to be doing the sister and brother tag. So you guys can get to know us and our relationship. Yeah, that's my brother. And
sorry about that.
you just hurted my butt. So the first question is, who's the older?
You are.
So I'm the older. I'm 25. He is
20.
He's 20 years old, so I'm older than him 5 years. Okay, the second question is, what was your last text you sent each other?
Basically, I came to Birmingham just for today. I came last night and she texted me about an hour ago for my train ticket back to London.
Yeah, so I had to send him a train so he can...
A bit boring, I know.
So he can go back. We don't want him here. We're trying to ditch him. Anyway,
that's why we're doing a video together.
Yes, so I can ditch him. Subliminal messages.
English is a bit hard, isn't it? Like, when all the words sound like...
Subliminal.
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 No, subliminal.
Yes, subliminal.
Okay, with all the subliminal. I'm gonna cut that part.
You're not gonna cut that.
That part is not going in. Anyway.
What do you and your sibling have in common?
Well, me and Abdullah, we always loved business and we love entrepreneurship. Is that how you say it?
Yeah, almost.
Okay. So we love to be an entrepreneur. So we always come with ideas and we discuss ideas and businesses that we would like to get into, and we constantly share it, and we try to take it to the next step. He will add improvement, and he will tell me, okay, you might want to start it off there. So we always have that in common, right?
Yeah, business, everybody has an idea up to where they want to reach, but a sibling or a friend can give you that extra bit of help to take your idea to the next level, to grow even further, if you get what we mean.
Yeah, so that's what it is. So we have that in common. He comes up with ideas. I give him my what I think he can do or improve. You know, or if that's such a great idea, or if it's not, really just little criticism without being what?
Overly rude about it.
Yeah, without being rude. Sometimes he can come up with crazy ideas.
Yeah, and she's always like, oh, it's so good. Wallahi billahi subi, you know, you're gonna be a millionaire. And it's like an idea. I'll come up with an idea just to test her, right? Just to see, oh my God, she's so supportive. Let's see how supportive she is. So I'll come up with the worst idea thinking, even I'm not gonna do it. And she'll be like, oh my God, that's so good. And it's like, seriously? Seriously? Which ideas I've told you so far are actually good then?
Well, you're gonna have to be supportive, right?
Yeah,
you're gonna support your siblings, although they might be crazy, but you know what, if you just support them, they might just come up with the greatest idea ever invented. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. So just support them. If they want to continue, that's good. If they don't, then they can just leave it. And
it's always good to be on their good side in case they make it big time, right?
That seems so greedy. That seems so damn greedy, but okay, we're gonna go ahead with it. Okay, what is the most memorable argument?
Oh, okay. So this is a bit of a crazy story. So make sure you're sitting down, you have your little food, your popcorn, and you're ready, okay? So basically, we were at home, and then Mum left her to babysit us and the younger kids. So me and her got into a fight, and me being a little kid, you know, hyped and, you know, a bit too much testosterone at the time, she confiscated my phone. I was like, what? You confiscated my phone? Are you crazy? So basically, she put my phone in the locker, and I didn't know where it was. So I was so angry. I was so mad. Like when I was young, I just used to go red like a tomato, like proper steam's coming out, everything.
He did.
And then...
He looked like a bull. You look like a bull, man. So
she wouldn't tell me where my phone is and not give it to me. So I was like, okay, I can't fight her. She's my older sister. But I was so pissed off. I was ready to break things. I was knocking things down. So I went to my twin sister. I got her phone. And then I rang my phone. And she forgot to put it on silent and turn it off. So it starts ringing. So I follow my phone, like hearing the noise. It was in a little wardrobe closed. It was locked away. Yeah, it was a cupboard and it was locked away. It had keys. So she had the key. And she hid the key as well. She wouldn't give it to me. So and I was like, oh my god, my phone's in here, and I started really like trying to open it, and you know, two guys come at the time. I thought I was a little thief trying to pickpocket the thing, open it up. It didn't work out.
He watched too much movies.
I was watching White Collar, you know, that little, every time he has the little pins and he just opens every lock. Murkira is just so hyped. So I broke the door of the cupboard and I got my phone out. I didn't tell her about it. I just went to my bed and carried out my sentence.
Well, that was very naughty of you. I don't even know. I remember the incident, but I don't remember so much information of it. I don't know why we got upset and everything. But the thing with him is sometimes shit can go down very hard.
Well, it's cool now. We're all grown up. You know, it's nicer.
What do we do for fun? What do we do for fun? I think sometimes we go out, right? We go out and we just play around. I think mainly we just joke around.
Yeah.
A lot.
Play games. Just talk about life, come up with businesses. Like, we're both really into the idea of coming up with ideas and talking about it and just juggling ideas around kind of thing.
Yeah, and that can be so much fun sometimes.
Yeah.
The thing is, right now he doesn't live in the UK, so we hardly see him. So for him to be back, that itself is something. So we just sit back at home and just relax and enjoy ourselves.
Catch up on life.
Yeah.
Let me ask her, since you just keep bombarding me with so many questions, right?
I'm good with asking.
Who keeps a cleaner room?
I do.
I'm joking, that's true. I can be quite messy. Now I've moved out, I'm more of tidy, you know. There's no mom to clean after you kind of thing. So you have to kind of grow up, be a man, do your own thing, take care of yourself. So now I keep a really nice, tidy house.
Sometimes.
All right. What is something weird that you eat? This should be interesting, trust me.
When we lived back at our parents' house, what happens was he used to put chocolate spread with ketchup, mayo, and chili. Okay, that's what he used to do. Bread with chocolate and ketchup and mayo. I think he used to put onion on top as well.
No.
You didn't?
But the funny part is, right? First I tried it, and then I gave it to my sisters, and
I never liked it.
except for the older ones, the younger ones, our age,
don't like it.
friends would come about, they'd eat it, everybody loved it, and they were like, oh my god, you should sell it, you should sell it. And as a kid, you know, when you come up with a little invention, you think you're a genius, and I was like, oh my god, who reads more?
I think we both read more in terms of he's still in uni, so he has to read a lot of books. But with me, I do read from time to time, and I do just read normal books in general. But I'm sure you read school books, right? Like uni books and stuff like that.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so we both do read. So I don't know which we read. We don't live together, so I wouldn't know how much he reads. He wouldn't know how much I read.
Who takes longer to get ready?
He does. He does.
That's not true, guys. I think every single one of you knows how long it takes her to put her makeup on. For a guy, I just throw on my shirt, throw on my trousers, socks are on.
I don't think so. I don't think so. You know what? Before we started this video, let me just be honest. It took him 20 minutes to figure out how to do his color like that. Look, he can't even hide away from that.
But she was doing her makeup for an hour before we started. 20 minutes, an hour, guys. Which one is longer?
Listen.
Comment down below who you think takes
20
longer.
20 minutes for a color to look like that.
Yeah, but
he was thinking, should I make it like that? Like that?
You gotta look good. I'm not gonna lie to you, okay? But guys,
it's a color.
We're disagreeing on this question. Comment down below who you think takes longer to get ready, me or her.
I know it looks like that. I take most. I know it looks like that way, but I doubt it.
We'll let the audience decide this.
I doubt it.
All right. Are you close?
As close as we need to be.
I mean, is there any closer that you can get somebody else?
You can't. We're
pretty close for siblings.
Yeah.
What's a weird habit of yours? Basically mine, I think all my family members have seen it sooner or later kind of thing. When I sleep, is like sleeping, everybody has a weird sleeping habit. Every single one of you, for sure, I know has a weird sleeping habit. When I sleep, right, I like to think I'm on a beach, you know, the most relaxing moment you're in, just laying down with the ocean, the sun. So I just kind of like sleep like this with my arms crossed, and I just kind of like sleep facing up and just relax kind of thing.
Describe the last thing you did with your sister. What did we do? What?
Basically, earlier we went out to play table tennis in the park, but it was so windy. It was ridiculous. Like, I was playing against myself half the time. I'm like, hit the ball, and then the wind will just blow it back, and she's just standing there like, you know, just relaxing like, oh, how's the game going for you? Like, she hits it back once, like every 3 hits. and I was like constantly playing, you know, getting tired.
Yeah, and I won.
There was no winner really. It wasn't even a game. I told her let's have a match. She was like, nah.
I didn't say that.
I'm really good, right? But no match for me.
I'm very good at table tennis.
Yeah, she's quite good actually. I thought she was gonna be really bad, but it was quite fun. It was a fun game.
It was.
But unfortunately, it was too windy.
Yeah, go on.
So, describe me in 3 words.
Okay. Look, you're smiling.
I'm ready. I'm hoping something nice. You know what I mean?
He's smiling. I would say funny,
Oof.
smart, and stupid. If they go both in the same way, he can be smart in a minute. The next minute, he's so stupid.
I can be silly. I don't call it stupid. Silly.
Okay. Maybe I'll call it silly.
Yeah.
Silly.
But
okay, so
then again,
funny, smart, and silly.
Who wants to be serious all the time, right? You want to have a bit of fun. Somebody who keeps the mood a bit lighter when it gets a bit too stressful during the day.
Yes. And chokes your throat. Yes.
She's making me out to be so bad. I'm trying to be so nice to her.
Okay, your turn. Describe me in 3 words.
Look at her, Princess Ali. What was the other thing?
Of course. Go on.
Can't live without.
I got one question for you. Okay. If you were to advise the people that are watching, what would you advise them?
In terms of
everything in life. It doesn't have to be one advice, but something that are very valuable to you that they are able to take today and do something with it. What would it be?
Don't listen to people that will actually put you down, no matter who it is. It can be your parents, your school teachers, even your closest friends. A lot of people will try to always put you down, you know, not put you down on purpose, but they think they're trying to help you, telling you, oh, it's not going to work. Out of 1,000 people, 1 person makes it. But why can't you be that 1 person? You know, success comes to everyone, but it only comes to those who actually try. So you have to be that 1 person out of the 10,000 people that actually makes it in life. Don't care about the rest that fail. Look at the people that actually succeed. The harder you work, the more you succeed. It's simple.
Well, that's a very, very good advice. Well, I think
be happy.
Yes, smile a lot, innit?
Yeah.
Smile.
I used to be very, very, you know, when I was younger, just grumpy all the time, you know, not smiling. But the more you smile, the happier you are on the inside. You get what I mean? Like, you just more
enjoy life a little bit more. Yeah, don't take
short.
things seriously. Yeah, definitely. So guys, as he said, he's gonna be doing a new channel. It's gonna be about him, some fun stuff, sometimes inspirational. Would you not say so?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's gonna be something that you know you can relate to. Yeah, I think I'm looking forward.
Yeah, it's gonna be funny because a lot of people say, oh, you know, they make excuses. I have this, I have that, I have work, I have kids, I have university. No, you always have spare time. Do something you love doing, which is making people happy, having fun yourself, as well as making other people happy.
Yeah.
So it's not going to be a specific topic. It's going to be general, more of vlogs, you know, challenges, a lot of funny challenges. If you guys want to see a challenge happen between me and my friends,
we'll do challenge together.
We'll be collaborating much more often.
Maybe.
I'll be doing it with my friends. It'll be so much more fun. So check it out. It's going to be called Sm.Nation.
It's going to be right there. Okay, so thank you so much for being here with us. I hope you enjoyed this tag and I hope you enjoyed my brother. So don't forget to go and subscribe to him and show him some love. He will be doing an amazing videos, inshallah. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like it and share it. Thank you so much for all your support and we'll see you on the next video. Ciao.